Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the Red Rocket video. And this part, we gotta start pulling it apart. Yeah, easy. So what goes on here is just, this is the diary. It's just documenting high detail, what we did, what we pulled apart, what we broke, what we're gonna need to fix in the future. And just like, yeah, let's just see what we're in for. Still a bit boring. I still haven't sort of hit the stride on any of that entertaining stuff yet. Like if that starts happening when shit goes wrong, But for now, we just, pull it apart. We try to keep the video just to a reasonable length so that, you can just hang in for the next part. But, we don't really get far in this video. We just get to see the gearbox, I guess. And, it's the art. Be aware of that. It's all part of the art. And, yeah, we got the theme song, so fucking rip it!
Where to, what to believe in, where to really so. Where to, not to deceive in, we don't take control. Believe what you read or what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive me, you won't take control. As if I need to turn on that TV, I don't even need to know the reasons. Life's not meant to be misinformed and confused. Know the line, real time. Woman, how to toe the line. Vicious lies turned into real lies. Stupid soul, your mind is now in their control.
It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? You can always tell it's going to be good and things are going to go the way you expect when the first thing you unplug, the little clippy fucking thing broke off. So, yep, that's great. Perfect. And you can see that just, we're not going to get any reuse out of that. So there's another 30-40 bucks for an air cleaner. But yeah, that'll be good. We'll use that. This thing looks like it's fucking doink. Needs a good clean out, so we'll clean that out too. There's shit in there. See heaps more in there already. All these little clips and shit are gonna break for sure. Gently persuade them all open. Shit in there. Shit look like down in there. Oh yeah, front body needs. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, man. Oh dear. Look at that shite. Get in there and clean him up. There he is. There. Let's see what else we can find wrong. We've got the, there's a few in the front way. Here we go. Pull out this bad boy with the coolant thing. And the coolant doesn't look real fucking good. Maybe just the bottle. Still got some life in it there. She's still good. Ooh, not so good. Yeah. She's a bit fucking rusty in there. Maybe some of the old coolant out of an old car. Tempting. Probably not. I've got a bottle somewhere. So it's going to need a clean out. If we just top her off, maybe, hopefully. But that's probably not going back in. Into the parts pile. We'll see you there. Hopefully you don't leak. And let's see right now. So we've got the battery out, we've got the airbox out. Next, I think we need to get into this harness so we can take that out. This one will probably disconnect nice and easy, hopefully. Let's see if we can't break one on camera. Oh, there we go, that popped off nice. That's going to have to come off. Another earth in there. Got fucking diagnostics. And we can see the gearbox now, at least. We might push her into there now, so we're not out here on the grass. Now we'll get rid of anything that's going to leak, aside from anything else that leaks, I guess. We only broke one clip so far, so that's good. There's plenty of leaves and shit in there. Oh yeah, we dropped a fucking bolt down there they've got to find somewhere that's gone forever. But we'll deal with that. This one's more a video just for me, just in case I fucking forget where shit goes. So I pulled this all out just for the fact that I dropped a bolt and it landed in here. I don't know what this little bottle is here, it's kind of interesting. There's plenty of crap in there, but we can clean all that out at some stage. Spider house in there. But yeah, so disconnected this SAD cable from here. That one goes back in here under the sadness. This one off the tranny here. This one here. And there's the thermostat housing, maybe a temperature sensor. A couple here on the Dizzy. Took them out, so they're hanging over there now. That one there off the so-called temperature sensor, this one off there. This one came off this little thing here on the aircon line. And battery cables, so I'm probably going to pull that earth off. Just trying to work out how to get this out of the way now. That's all free there. Oil on that bolt. Get down in there and have a bit of a squeeze. See what we can see in there. That one can probably stay for now. But there's where we're at. This little boot probably needs to get stuck back on. That's probably have to come off to the things. Hopefully no shit's probably got crap down in there and grease and oil and shit, and that's probably all that's fucking wrong with the clutch maybe. And I don't need to put on the plate that I bought. And we took that little hose piece out of here too, just to free up some space. That's a fan and a fan. This fan was a bit loose. Might be some kind of mounting issue in that. Well, that fucking looks nice and squished in there. That's probably not ideal. I'd say it's had a radiator at some stage. Squish that cable in there. It's probably not ideal. It's looking denser anyway. Red, not the red. Yeah, that's just from the coolant reservoir we pulled out down in under there. It's time to push her in the shed now, but we'll get her in there. Righto, we're inside, it's night time. Kids are out there bouncing on the trampoline, making all sorts of noise. So we got a bit further in here. Get all this out of the way. Put this over here out of the way. Our slave cylinder. So that should just be able to sit there. Might tie that up a bit later before we start ratting around in here too much. And we've got in here with a bit more spray so we can see what we're doing. I think that slave cylinder is all I've really disconnected since we last talked. But there's some sort of speed sensor in here somewhere, which I cannot find. And I thought the starter was there, but oh, what can we see? Nothing in there. Got a little light here somewhere. Down in there, there's nothing. The starter, it's over in there. Yikes. Geez, that'd be a shit job. So we'll persist. It's nearly time to jack her up there and take the wheels off and start attacking it from that side. The drive axle's out. before we can lock up this engine, whatever way I decide to do it. I'm probably going to get an engine brace because I can't find a decent engine hoist locally, so that's just going to be the temporary fix for now. I'm going to put those bolts somewhere where I'm not going to get lost. And yeah, so back off the wheel nuts. We haven't got the hoist yet, so it'll be hoisting here soon. It'll make life a bit easier. But for now, yeah, I think we continue on. Just get a quick shot of this mess. This one came out of here just before I disconnect all this so I can see where it goes back in. This one and this one, what's that light doing? Come off again. So this one, and this one's all connected into that, which should then free it up from that. And that one is that one, isn't it? If I can get that to come away from there at least. So that's hard fighting, but that's a problem. At the moment, so I sound like shit. It doesn't look like it just pops out of there, does it? Oh, is that a connector? Yeah, it just all comes out by the looks of it. There's a little clip there. Pop you out. Yeah, that comes out, that's good. One came out of there. Nobody can see any of this. Let's make sure we get proper footage. That one came out of that one. In there. This angle. Take this one out. Here, this one. One's out. And then take this one out of here. Oh, let's get it tight. It's a bit hard to hold the camera while I'm doing it. Come off it. Wait, in there. Wait. Come on. You don't want to be in there anymore. Right, we might just turn this off in a sec, but let's just have one more quick look where these all are. This one's in there, this one's in there, this one's in there. Should all be pretty self-explanatory anyway when it goes back together, but we'll keep going. What does it look like if I sit that there? It's not going to stay there probably. Yeah, we'll just go like that. Like that. There. Sit, baby, sit. Ooh. No. Plenty of stuff in the sit on there. What about that wrench holding it there? Oh, that's good. So, get 2 hands onto that now. That one's out. What else have we got connected in here? This one, that one. Just pull them all out, eh? Pull you out of there. Pull you out of there. Pull you out of there. Can't quite get that one yet. That one's got broken clips. Should just pull out, I think. Really? No clips there. Might get a screwdriver to take a couple of these clips I can't quite reach. Did that one before. Screwdriver. Yeah. them and I'll watch the video again and make sure that I put them in the right spot. That is coming right out of the way. Yeah, just go yoink and that'll be out of the way. That and all this stuff. It's got in there, but just tuck you over in there.
Is anybody there? There's a dog attacking me. Hello?
Perfect, that's just going to stay there. Just get all this stuff too. Get them out. And we're into it.